Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another demonstration using our brand new stamps released today. We've got our lovely Woodland Sprite here that I'm going to be demoing with. So I'm going to use the gel press and we've got some elements and we're going to use a Brushos to get a really gorgeous background going on before we stamp. So let's get started. So I'm using Sundance to start with. So inking up. I'm just going to take that lovely yellow over the top of our gel press. And then I've got our Brushos here that I've watered down a lot. Now I know that sometimes people struggle with the Brushos. You only need like a pinch of Brusho and then I've filled these pixie pots full of water. So literally a pinch of Brusho and fill to the top with water. They're so strong in their colours, they're so vibrant and you want them quite watery to get that organic sort of effect on your gel press. So have an experiment. If things come out too dark and they don't and the inks don't move enough, then add a little bit more water. So I'm going to use an orange here. So I'm going to take a little bit off and then just start tapping that nice tiny little spatters of Brusho, which is why I tend to take off first. And then we're going to go in with the pink. And I think that will be enough. So we've got our multifarious card here. So I'm going to pop that over the top and give that a nice smooth over. And let's see what we've got. Wow. So we've got lovely bright colours going on there. So you can see how potent these Brushos are, so you really don't need a lot. I'm going to dry this off. And now, let's stamp our Woodland Sprite in the Nocturne. Make sure she's completely covered. And we're going to pop her down. She's going to be our absolute focal point. We don't actually need a lot else going on. She's a very big stamp. Okay, there we go. I think she looks great against that sort of sunset background. Now I'm going to take our moon mask and I'm going to pop that over the top, and then taking our stencil brush, and we'll use the graphite. I'm going to work my way around the edge there. And this will really spotlight her. Watching out in the woodland. And there we go. I'm going to add a bit of water. On the Brusho. I just want to bleach out some of that colour. So just waiting a few seconds, grabbing some kitchen towel. You can see how that's really pulled that colour out. And then we're going to use our lovely bluebell, which work really well together. And I'm going to ink it this time in the Warm Breeze. So just stamp off the edge there. Actually, we'll bring in a little bit of colour down at the bottom here. So let's pick a little bit of olive green. Let's pop that down here. Just give it a little bit of depth. And I'm going to use our copper pen just to go around the edge. This has got a sparkle in it as well, so I'll hold it up to the light in a minute and you'll see it, but it looks fabulous. I hope you can see it. I'm going to use a little bit of the sparkle pen as well. This is the clear one. And I'm just going to touch on her wings. And a little bit on her headdress here. And then I've got my pastel pencils here, and I'm going to highlight these bluebells. And just a little down her arm. Not too much. And that just makes her stand out that much more. And then I'm going to just put in a little bit more white in the moon. Like so. And I'm going to add a few little dots coming up from the bottom here. That's in the yellow, and we'll do a few in the white as well. How quick was that? Very quick, very easy. I think the Woodland Sprite just does it for you. You know, even if you didn't have the other bluebells, that by itself is just stunning. So I hope that you've enjoyed today's demo, and I hope it's inspired you to have a play with your new stamps. You take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.